Today I'm going to show you how to create auto captions in the CapCut app. First we have to open up the app, and here I already have a project opened. From here we just go into the top row, and here we select text, and then we click on auto captions here. Here we can select the language which is spoken, and here we can click bilingual captions as well. So the app is going to create a caption for the original language and then for another language which we can select. And then we can also remove filler words. We can click on generate afterwards, but this is a pro function, so you might have limited uses. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.